Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to withdraw money from Bitget straight up to your bank account. All right, so first option right here, go ahead over to your assets and click on withdraw. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and go to withdraw fiat. For example, you already have converted your assets to fiat money. Well, you can just go ahead and select the currency right here, for example, US dollars. Okay, and you will be able to select from one of these payment methods if you have many. Okay. So mine says here I only have the option Swift. So just click on next. Now go ahead and grant the authorization right here. Select the purpose and some other options, agree, submit, and the next page it will ask you how much would you like to withdraw. Okay. So just basically follow simple prompts, and once done, check your bank account. Now the other option, if you still have, okay, the crypto, for example, you have maybe Ethereum under your Bitget wallet. Well, just go ahead over to buy crypto and just click on P2P trading. Now in here, instead of buy, click on sell. Now, for example, again, you have Ethereum. How much Ethereum would you like to sell? For example, this amount of USDT for Ethereum. Okay, you'll have these buyers that would love to buy, and the payment methods will be available right here. So for example, you have Victoria Bank. Okay, so this buyer right here offers Victoria Bank. Now, if you like this option, we'll click on sell. Amount of Ethereum, how much? Maybe 10 Ethereum. Okay, and you will receive this amount in USD. Okay, so add the payment method right here. It could be a bank transfer, it can be any other right here. Okay. So just got to write down the bank name, bank account number, IBAN, bank branch, card number, save and use, follow simple prompts, and once done, check your bank account. That's basically it. That is how you withdraw money from Bitget straight up to your bank account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.